Hello everyone, myself Shashank, studying in Ignatius, pursuing intermediate first year MEC. Now I am going to explain about heat wave. What is heat wave? According to World Meteorological Organization, 5 or more consecutive days during the daily maximum temperature exceeds the average minimum temperature by 5 degrees Celsius. That means highest temperature in a location at least 40 degrees Celsius in plains, 37 degrees Celsius in coastal areas and 30 degrees Celsius at mountain ranges. Now let us discuss about criteria for declaring heat wave. Based on actual maximum temperature, heat wave is considered when the temperature is more than 45 degrees Celsius and when temperature is more than 47 degrees Celsius, it is considered as severe heat wave. Now let us talk about the causes of heat wave. It is caused due to increasing atmospheric pressure, global warming, greenhouse gases, El Nino and La Nina, shifting of jet streams. In India, heat waves occur mainly during March to June and in some rare cases in July. Now coming to the effects of heat waves, increased frequencies, intensity of hazards, that means cyclones, droughts, flood. It impacts the health of the people, crop yielding decreases and electricity consumption increases. Now coming to the measures, cool roof need to be set, afforestation is to be done and prevention of fire accident, that means forest fires. Thank you.